Alright folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to be maidening we're going to take up the Hobby King AXN floater jet. This is the maiden. I've only put her together and that's it. A little tip about pusher prop planes is you want to just give her a nice toss, because as soon as you hit that throttle, first thing she's going to want to do is dip. So you never, a pusher plane like this, you never give it full throttle right off the bat. You get about a nice 45-degree angle up and about maybe a quarter throttle. So the wind's at my back, so I'm going to be going away from it. And we're going to do this. Here we go with the maiden. Never flown this plane before. She definitely needs some down trim. The ailerons are not all that responsive because I got them set for not all that much deflection. This is a great beginner plane. Well, anyways, there's the AXN floater. Babe, are you able to see it okay?
Yeah, if you'll keep it down from over me.
Sorry, I gotta keep away from the highway. Not bad for a maiden. Definitely not bad for a maiden. Nice little floater plane. Motor's off right now, folks. Motor is off. See how nice and slow that plane is? We're going to come around here this way. Well, I'll show you something really neat that a plane like this can do in just a second. Maybe. Well, walk of shame. Show you something kind of cool that a plane like this can do. Maybe. Take off on its belly. Now that's cool. I'm just gliding right now. Just gliding the plane, enjoying. So she is called the AXN floater for a reason. She will float. Got a 2200 in there. Got my timer set for 8 minutes, but I'll be honest, you could probably get 20 minutes out of this plane on a 2200. Get right by us here. Boy, for a Maiden, isn't that nice and predictable? Now those, if you look at those wing tips, you'll notice they curve up on the ends, and they really have that nice curve. That's called polyhedral. Whoa, uh-oh. And that was a no damage crash. Believe it or not, no damage, I guarantee you. Actually, I do have a little bit of damage. Part of my elevator busted. There you go, folks. That, folks, was the AXN floater. Looks like I got a little tip of my elevator broke. A little bit of super glue or some little bit of CA glue right there. Right there, that'll be good as new. You'll never even be able to tell. Prop off. But you can look at these ailerons. You can see they really don't move all that much. And the elevator doesn't really move that much because this is considered to be a beginner plane. Now I've got the rudder really set, but if you get this plane, you're probably going to, if you want to leave in this configuration, you're probably going to want to do a rudder aileron mix for your turns. But great little plane. I picked it off. Here, I'll put the prop back on. It definitely has more than, I was flying really slow. It'll go a lot faster. But anyways, folks, there it is. That's the AXN floater by Hobby King. Nice little plane. Pick it up for under $100. I got it for on sale for $69 from Hobby King. Get yourself one. Thank you, folks, for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC.